In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online how to change beginning balance. If the beginning balance on one of your asset accounts is off, even by a little, it can throw off your reports and make reconciliation confusing. The good news is that fixing it in QuickBooks Online is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what you're changing and why it matters. First, head to the gear icon in the top right corner of QuickBooks Online. This is your doorway to the key setup areas. From that menu, choose Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts lists every account in your books: assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Since you're updating an asset's beginning balance, find the specific asset account you want to adjust. This could be a bank account, a credit card account, or another asset account depending on how your books were set up. Next, look to the right of that account and click View Register. This opens the register for that account, the running list of transactions associated with it. You're now looking at the register in a table-style view, which makes it easy to scan through entries. Within this register, locate the opening entry, the one that established the initial amount for the account. It's often the first line when the account was created, and it may show as an opening balance entry. When you find the initial amount, simply click directly on it. You'll be able to edit the number right there. Carefully change the value to reflect the correct beginning balance. Take a moment to confirm you're editing the correct entry and the correct field, as this number has a ripple effect across your reports. That's all there is to it. By updating that initial amount, you've aligned the account starting point with your actual records. This helps ensure your balances, reports, and future reconciliations line up as expected. A couple of quick tips before you move on. Make sure you know the correct beginning balance from your source records, such as a bank statement or a prior accounting file. If you're unsure why the original balance was set the way it was, it can be helpful to review any documentation from the time the account was created. And if this change affects previously reviewed periods, consider noting the reason for the adjustment so you or your team have a clear trail later. That's the process. Open the Chart of Accounts, view the register for the asset account, and edit the initial amount. Simple, precise, and effective.